In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a paper trading account on Interactive Brokers. Now, first of all, over here, if you go to their official website and if you go to trading up top and click on platforms, you'll be able to see a free trial button will pop up top. And when you click on it, you can basically get a free trial. And with this free trial, you can basically open a paper trading account on Interactive Brokers over here by basically creating your username and password here on the right, and you will get 1 million in a simulated trading account. Okay, so 1 million USD, and you can use that paper money to actually trade and practice your trading directly on IBKR. However, if you already do have an account, I have some good news for you, because if you have a real account with Interactive Brokers already, you actually do already have a paper trading account as well. So if you go, for example, to IBKR desktop over here, and if you log in, and this is going to work for TraderStation as well as for IBKR mobile and the web version too, so you can always on the login screen switch from live trading to paper trading, and you don't actually have to open a separate account, because you can just use your live trading account credentials, so the username and password, for the paper trading, because it's going to work either way. It's just going to put you inside your paper trading mode. So just use your usual live account, real account username and password over here on the paper trading tab section. Click on login to simulation, and it's going to log you in, and you'll be able to practice trading using paper money. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.